What if I told you that you can build a website that looks like it was created by a professional design agency without hiring a designer, without writing the entire code yourself, and using mostly AI tools? In this video, I'm going to show you my complete workflow from finding inspiration all the way to deploying the final website online. Let's get started. The first thing I do is open Pinterest. I don't start with code. I don't start with AI. I start with design inspiration. Pinterest is one of the best places to find premium landing page designs created by top designers. In this case, I found this amazing landing page design and decided to use it as my reference. The design looks great, but it isn't exactly what I need. So I take a screenshot and send it to ChatGPT. My first prompt is, remove the camera image and replace the background with a dark black cinematic background. After generating the new version, I noticed there were a few sections that I didn't need. So I simply told ChatGPT, remove this section completely. Within seconds, I had a cleaner design that matched my vision much better. This is one of the fastest ways to transform inspiration into a custom design. Now that I have the final design, it's time to build it. For this, I'm using Google AI Studio. In my opinion, it's currently one of the best AI coding tools available online. I upload the generated design and give it a very specific prompt. Convert this design into a responsive website and make sure the generated code matches the design as closely as possible. Then, I let AI Studio do its work. While it's generating the code, I'll prepare another important asset. I want my landing page to feel alive. Instead of using a static image, I want a cinematic video background. To do that, I upload my video to Streamable. Once the upload is complete, Streamable provides a direct URL for the video. We'll use this URL inside the website. While Streamable is uploading the video, AI Studio continues generating the website code. Perfect timing. The code is ready. Now I copy the video URL from Streamable and go back to Google AI Studio. I tell it, replace the black background with this video URL and use it as a full-screen background. A few moments later, the website now has a dynamic animated background. Already it looks much more professional. However, I noticed something. There is a glass morphism overlay sitting on top of the video. It's reducing visibility and making the background look less impactful. So I tell AI Studio, remove the glass morphism layer completely and make the video 100% visible. The result is much cleaner. But I'm still not completely satisfied. There is another section that doesn't add much value. Instead of keeping it, I ask AI Studio to either remove it entirely or replace it with a simple text section. This is a great reminder. Don't accept the first version AI gives you. Keep refining until it looks exactly how you want. Now it's time to publish the project. First, I download the generated code as a zip file. Next, I open Netlify. Inside Netlify, I go to the drag and drop deployment area. I simply drop the zip file. A few seconds later, Netlify automatically builds and deploys the website. Finally, I change the project name and customize the URL. And that's it. The website is now live on the internet. No server setup, no complicated configuration, just drag, drop, and deploy. In just a short amount of time, we went from a design reference on Pinterest to a fully deployed animated website using AI. The workflow is simple. Find inspiration on Pinterest. Customize the design with ChatGPT. Generate the code using Google AI Studio. Add a video background using Streamable. Refine the design with AI. Deploy everything with Netlify. And you end up with a website that looks like it was built by a professional development studio. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about AI web development, modern design workflows, and building professional websites faster, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.